how's it going? My name is Tyler Lawhead. I'm an internship coordinator here at NAU Career Development. And today I'm going to show you how to tie a tie. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put the tie around our neck. You want to have the small tail on your left side and the big tail on your right side. And you want to have the small tail about halfway, maybe even a little less than halfway, down on the big side. So it'll look like this. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take the big side, you're going to cross it over and make an X. So the big side is on top of the little side. You're going to bring it around and cross it again. So now you have two crosses. The big side should be on your left side still. You're going to take this and you're going to feed it through the big hole above, right here. And you're going to feed it down through the smaller hole that's made when you pull it through. So I'm going to feed it through like this. And it should make a knot like this. You should have a little bit of a tail here. So what you want to do is you want to hold the knot with your right hand, or left hand if you're left-handed. And with your left hand, you want to pull down while you pull up. And if it peeks out a little bit like this, it's okay. You can actually just tuck it into the shirt and it'll sort of hide a little bit. So you want to tighten it until you get to the top button, like this. And then you can fold the top flaps of your collar down, adjust it, and that is how you tie a tie.